Hey all, welcome to SLB Basement Bourbon Bar. My name is Kurt. Man, I'm excited about this video today because I want to share a beautiful cocktail with you. It is fan-freaking-tastic. It's got some fig syrup in it. So, Michelle came up with the name Figgin Delicious. I mean, you can't come up with a better name than that. You just can't do it. Before we start building this cocktail, take a minute, if you would please, hit that subscribe button. Once you've done that, hit the notification bell, and that way you won't miss a single episode of this show. Alright, let's get started building the Figgin Delicious. First thing I want to do, I've got a little glass here and I got 5 blackberries. I just want to pop that into the mixing tin. Alright, we have 5 blackberries in there. I'm going to take this fig syrup and I'm going to pour in a ½ ounce of fig syrup. Now, if you want to make your own fig syrup, God bless you. Ooh, Trent, look at this. And that's the end of the fig syrup. If you want to make your own fig syrup, God bless you. I don't have time for that action. So what I did is I bought this off of Amazon. Liber Co has fantastic cocktail syrups. And this one is actually a fig syrup by Liber Co, if I'm pronouncing that correctly. Excellent, excellent. You can mix this in old fashions. Numbers of different avenues you can take with this fig syrup. Really, really good. Amazon. Okay. Now that I've got 5 blackberries, ½ ounce of fig syrup, I'm going to take my muddler. I'm just going to take a second to just gently muddle these blackberries down here. Express all that beautiful flavor into the syrup. We're good there. Once we have that, I want to pour in 3/4 ounce of freshly squeezed lemon juice. Last but not least, the star of the show, we've got bourbon. Yeah, I know it's kind of weird around here, but we got some flippin' bourbon to put in this cocktail. I am going to use Old Forester 100. And we're going to pour in 2 full ounces. 2 full ounces of bourbon. And that is all the ingredients of the cocktail. I'm going to get some ice in this tin and give it a shake. That ought to do it. My tin is nice and frosty. So what we want to do here, I have a single rocks glass with a beautiful clear rock of ice. We're going to want to double strain this. We've got blackberries in there, we've got seeds and so forth. So we're going to double strain this right into the single rocks glass over that beautiful clear cube of ice. Ooh. Fantastic. Beautiful pour. And there you have it. The Friggin Delicious. Friggin Delicious. What do we call it?
Figgin Delicious.
Thanks, honey. I'm glad she's here to keep me straight. It's not the Friggin Delicious. It's the Figgin Delicious because we got fig syrup.
The friggin' Figgin Delicious.
Friggin Figgin Delicious. There's a new name for my babe over there. The friggin Figgin Delicious. There you have it. Anyways, we don't need any garnish for this cocktail. It's pretty darn good on its own. So let's give it a little bit of a taste. Honestly, I know I've done a lot of clowning around on this video, but this is really, really good. I mean, you get a little bit of the backbone from this bourbon. If you want to bump up, make this your own cocktail too. You don't have to take my specs completely. Make it your own. If you want to bump up that bourbon a little bit, maybe put in some Old Granddad 114 if you want to put a little bit more bourbon backbone in it. But I think this Old Forester 100 works very well. You get the bourbon in there, A little bit of a sour from the lemon juice, and that fig syrup adds beautiful flavor with the blackberry, sweetens the cocktail up perfectly. You just can't beat it. It's delicious. I beg you to try this at home. Hey, that's all I have for you today. Thanks so much for watching. We always ask you to please drink responsibly, and we'll see you next time right down here with me in a good old basement bourbon bar. See you later.